Good morning, everybody. It's day 2, also the last day. Yeah, we make short trips here. Today we're heading to Disney's Character Warehouse at International Drive or in Vineland. We're going to try to go to one of them because the wait times can be up to like 3 hours, I've seen. Some people report as quick as 45 minutes, but we're going to do that today. We'll get that up as soon as possible. People love those videos. Who doesn't like discounted Disney items? Also, Disney Springs tonight, and just we don't really have plans besides the Character Warehouse tonight or today. That's it. Disney Springs, fly home tomorrow, 9 a.m. departure. That's our kind of weekend trips here to Disney. Also, did you see that? That's SeaWorld out there. Yeah. So we are staying at the Hampton Inn by SeaWorld because it's one of the cheapest hotels I know of in the area. And it's one exit from Disney Springs, so you get on the freeway and you just take the next exit right from Disney Springs to here. And yeah, we had a long day yesterday. As you can see, we are slightly tired. Not as much anymore as we were yesterday. But yeah, it was awesome. Also, we went live. I hope you all checked that out. That was fun. She really enjoyed it. She says she wants to do it again. Yes, that's exciting. So we're gonna head out now and get to the Character Warehouse.
Okay, so we checked in at 11:30. I got some food. Shelly's getting some food, and we're just gonna wait to get into the Character Warehouse. The Character Warehouse video will be in a separate one, so I'll put a link down below for that. That actually looks pretty good. Yeah, look at you, fancy pants. So, what is that place called? Charlie's Philly Steaks. Looks pretty good.
Veggie one.
It's veggie. So we probably about an hour. 45 minutes to an hour. It's already been 20 minutes. They'll text you and then we'll walk in. So we'll get that over with and then we'll meet you on the other side. All right, everybody, we are done at the Character Warehouse. That was awesome. Shelly got a big bag of stuff. We'll go over that later when we're in the room tonight. There's a thunderstorm happening right now. It was raining so hard and so loud in the building. It was crazy. Our Patreon members, our elite member item is in the bag. It's going to be on your way soon. If you're a super member and you just signed up this month, we'll get an item out to you as well. But elite member items are heading out starting Tuesday afternoon. Okay, we're at the car now. By the way, weather right now, super comfortable. Don't have a temperature report for you, but it just heavy rained and now it feels like Washington. It's very comfortable. Also, this is the item I was talking about here for the Patreon member, elite members. This is going out to you. You know who you are. Also, Ron on the go, hooking it up, everybody. I got magnets now. Put it on the car. I thought it was fun. By the way, Mustang, it's okay. I probably would not rent the Mustang again. Not that it's slow or anything or any issues like the comfortability, but like it's quite a bit for, you know, for 2 days. But we are heading off to somewhere. The thunderstorm has been a bit intense, so we'll see how traffic is.
A few moments later.
So it's been a while. We haven't really gone anywhere or done anything yet, and that's because I'm currently editing the Character Warehouse video right now, so I can get that up right now. It's always important to get these up as quick as possible. Shelly's taking a quick nap, I think. Also, so Shelly bought me these drops, and I love them drops, but she left them in the car. And now I have a drop. We let it cool down and get cold and harden, and now it's just one giant rock of a drop. It's very good. You should try that. So, as you can see, editing. I'm currently reviewing it, making sure it's correct. Everything looks good. There's not little like stuff. And then, yeah, we're gonna go to Disney Springs. I think that's our only other plan for the day.
Alright, we're in a thunderstorm right now. I'm in the middle of it. The lightning strike just across the freeway right there. It's going down. It's Florida. Well, that is a bummer. The point of coming here during all that storm was to try to go to the other character warehouse today. Was unsuccessful due to being 5:30 and the wait list is already full for the rest of the day. I'm pretty sure most people left, but it's just their policy. But that thunderstorm was crazy. Like, it was right here. Like, so right across the street where the Lexus is, there was a right in front of me, just like that. Saw that? That right there. Now I'm from Washington. We don't get storms like they get this all the time. I wouldn't say all the time, but they get it a lot. And I don't know. I'm having a really good time with it. Bummed we couldn't go to the character warehouse. That is wild. Oh, look who's awake! It's Shelly.
Hey.
She took a little nap, you know, while I was out trying to go to the other character warehouse. But now we're at Disney Springs. I'm pretty sure the balloon is down today. Been multiple thunderstorms. There's possibly another one coming. You said another one, right?
Maybe.
Yeah, it's Florida weather, you know. So we're gonna go inside Disney Springs and get some snacks and have some treats and just hang out the rest of the night here at Disney. We are in Disney Springs. This is my laptop. And we're trying to use the internet here to upload a video because the internet at our room was 4 megs down and I was on best getting 1 meg upload.
Is it any better here?
It's way better here. We got, like, in the little time I was able to connect to somebody's internet, I was able to load up 20% of the video in a matter of 2 minutes, where there we spent hours and we only uploaded 1%. That's how crazy it is. Oh no, we can't connect to this network. So we're having a bit of an issue with the uploading of the video, but we're at Disney Springs, so it's a plus. Also, we have an umbrella in case of rain. Yeah, this is the future though, everybody. I'm planning on doing videos like first things that come out. I will bring the laptop into the park with me just so we can get that video up as soon as possible. She's adorable. I gave up on the uploading of the video for the moment. We're at the co-op at Disney Springs trying out different signature flavors for the diffuser. Shelly has one.
Yeah.
A very friendly cast member came over and helped us out. We found what we were looking for. It's this one right here. It smells like Beach and Yacht Club and Soarin'. And, or not Soarin'. Oh no, it's Flight of Passage.
And there's a couple of other ones.
Yeah, so we're gonna get that.
Clover World.
We're gonna get it. It's called Clover World. I know we were just at the character warehouse earlier with all the Disney Cruise Line stuff, but they have a whole area inside the co-op for Disney Cruise Line. We kind of want these bags. They're a little too formal for us, but they look so nice. I want the carry-on one because the larger ones get dirty underneath the plane. But $200 for the big one, $160 for the small one, and we already have a big Mickey bag.
Those are cute.
Luggage tags. How much is that luggage tag? $12.99. That's awesome. We cannot wait to get on another Disney cruise. It was the best vacation we ever. Like, I know you're like, how can you have fun on a cruise ship? We didn't know either until we went on it, and now we're hooked. We booked 2 and had to cancel 2 of them.
Yeah. It's so much fun. And we didn't even have our kids.
We didn't know the kids. Yeah. So we're gonna walk around the co-op. We are picking up the cent. Yep, there it is. It is $16, and Shelly told me it's gonna last months, so that's perfect because they'll remind us of Disney World when we're not here, which is rare. So now we have the fragrance that's gonna make our house smell like Disney and everything else all the time. She's been waiting pretty much since I left for Japan, and now we'll have that.
I have to try not to use it all the time.
Yeah, because I do get a headache from it.
Yeah.
Well, maybe it's the lavender,
Maybe.
the one she has right now. But we're going to Earl's Sandwich. I am very hungry. I love Earl. Y'all should know that by now. If we ever go to Vegas, there's Earl. Washington should get an Earl, or we could just move here.
We'll just move here.
Okay, we'll just move here.
That'll be easier.
A lot of hints, right? So now we're at Earl's Sandwich and just got our sandwiches ordered. Shelly's picking them up right now. As you can see, I'm still trying to upload the video. So I started uploading this, what time was that? 4? And it's now 8. It's been 4 hours, but it's finally going. We're at 52%. But I'm very hungry. So oh, here comes Shelly with my sandwich. And why do I make such a big deal about the Hawaiian barbecue at Earl's Sandwich? It's got pineapple in it and barbecue sauce. It's really delicious. So we're gonna eat this, and it stopped uploading. I need to work on that. What an amazing, delicious sandwich from Earl. We'll be back. We always come back. Also, video is finally uploaded. Go check that out. I'll leave a link in the description below, like I said from earlier. I got my Shelly. She hates being in the camera, but she wants to go live. I have yet to figure her out yet.
I'm not on the camera.
Oh, okay.
I just get to talk to you guys.
I'm not trying to. You're walking next to me. She's super sweet, isn't she, everybody? Oh, I'm just gonna miss her so much when I come back here next weekend. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. We're not coming back next weekend. Am I?
No.
Oh, okay. We're gonna get the strawberry one with the bubble waffle. Oh, sorry about that. But right now the volcano is erupting. One of my son's favorite parts. Is it gonna erupt? Oh yeah, there we go. First snack of the night, and yes, I did say first. Don't get too excited, Shelly. There's only like 5 more. I'm just joking, we're not eating that many, but we're gonna have a couple more. But here it is. You can see they got the delicious strawberries, pearls. There is vanilla ice cream in the middle. It is good. We've had it before, and we're about to enjoy this right now. That was delicious. The ice cream, the strawberries were really fresh. I think those were some of the best strawberries I've ever had, including the ones in Japan. But this right here, this looks amazing. And the temperature is awesome right now. It feels so, it's 72 you said?
Yeah.
72, but 90% humidity.
But it doesn't feel bad.
No, it doesn't feel bad at all. So that must mean we need another dessert. Are we getting Dole Whip with chips?
Yep.
We're gonna get the Dole Whip nachos. That is next, that is happening. My son didn't let me have it last time. I told him I was coming back to get it. But one more time, look at this. Dole Whip nachos. So Dole Whip with what, strawberry?
Whipped cream.
Strawberry.
Pineapple. There's like.
Oh, there's actual chunks of actual china. Well, okay.
And then waffle cone, sprinkles, and there's a strawberry drizzle.
All right, let's get into this.
First bite. I have Dole Whip and the balls.
All right, go.
Whipped cream.
Yeah, you're good.
I lost a ball.
How is it?
It's good.
Is it just like ice cream with whipped
It
cream?
literally just tastes like Dole Whip with a waffle cone.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess it's my turn to have some too, so now we know. See, food reviewer, not me. So we just had the Dole Whip nachos. I don't know. It's just Dole Whip with a lot of extras to me.
Okay, so if you want to like share it with people, or like you have a lot of kids and you want to all share a Dole Whip,
Oh
it's
yeah,
perfect.
Oh yeah, it's huge. For
you-
$9 and what, 52 cents?
something like that.
Yeah. So the same prices that we had with the Aristocrate thing.
If you're here, you just want a Dole Whip, I would just get a regular
Yeah, I just get a Dole Whip.
Dole Whip. But if you want to share, you have kids, they'll think it's really cool.
Well, I know, because I'm getting full. I don't know if we can have any more snacks. You?
I don't know. We had.
What if you could get a cookie?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. There's a place called Gideon's, and we couldn't get into Gideon's last time we were here, so we actually drove into town to their local store where it all started, Gideon's. Oh, that's what. I think they started there.
Yep, that was their OG.
Okay, and we went there and we got 2 cookies. How much cookie did I get of that?
What? You don't like cookies?
I don't like cookies. So, yeah, we're gonna walk that way. That's where we're parked. We're probably not gonna get one.
I'm pretty full.
Yeah,
But if they are open without a line,
I don't know. We're still walking across. You know, we might go to World Disney next.
maybe.
You want to go in there?
Sure.
All right, we're gonna go to World Disney now. So my son has a Lightning McQueen roll around for his luggage. $44.99. So close to buying it right now. If I had a way to get it home, because we don't have a way to get it home.
I could make it happen.
No, I would buy too much stuff when we come here. It's your fault. Yeah, the character warehouses today was a bit spendy, wasn't it?
It was worth it.
Oh, okay. Well, not gonna argue that. Yep, we're in the world of Disney right now, and didn't even make it from that door to there before we almost bought. Oh, we're buying this too?
Cute.
Exactly. Character warehouse. Makes it hard to buy things though, because you know you don't want to pay that much for it.
Yeah, so if you just wait a little bit, it should be in the character warehouse.
We are horrible about that. Trying to get her to not buy something is being very hard right now. She wants to buy everything. And she's just walking away. We should leave the store now because I'm in my section. I want to buy it all.
All right, we should stay and torture you.
Yes. We're just actually admiring all the 2021 merch they have here. The years $29.99 up here, and then $20. That's adorable. Jamming out to the music over here at Disney Springs. Kind of sad now because we're actually heading back to the car over there at Orange Garage, not Green Garage.
Lime.
It's
lime.
It's Lime Garage, but I called it Green Garage. Just make a big deal about it. Say yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the Polite Pig smells so good. We have to do that one day when I don't want to eat Earl.
Next time.
Yeah, maybe next time. All right, we are 9:40 at night and there's still a big line to get into Gideon's. So I'm gonna assume no cookie tonight. I know, it's sad. We can go to the ganachery, get you some really thick chocolate. No? No, okay, I'm sorry. No Gideon's tonight. Well, I think we are done with Disney Springs and the trip. We're just gonna go back to the room, pack up, hang out, and then go to sleep. We have an 8:55 departure tomorrow. We'll just round that out to 9. But yeah, today was a great day. We went to the character warehouse, tried the other one, saw an amazing thunderstorm. It's like Washington right now. It's raining, but like like a Washington rain. And it's been a good day. A simple day. Sometimes you just need simple days. So thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Let me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And we'll be going back to Disney World very soon. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.